Hope everybody is doing okay. Happy Friday to everybody. It's the weekend. We made it. I'm pouring some water in here. There was some tea in here, so it's gonna be like watered down tea. Which honestly, I like watered down drinks, so yeah. But if y'all can see what I'm doing today, I'm so excited to do this. I was gonna wait to record this another day, but you know what? Hold on. I'm doing snack crate today. First time trying this. A lot of people did this in the past. I don't even know if anybody still does this anymore. But I remember I first saw something like this on Jasper Day's channel. If y'all know who he is, rest in peace to him. He was like one of the first people, actually, videos that I came across that, you know, did mukbangs and stuff. So shout out to him. To everybody, shout out to my new subscribers out there. Shout out to my sister. Thank you for subscribing, Zakia. I'm pretty sure my other sisters already subscribed, and I don't know if I'm about my other sister. My brother, he just subscribed the other day. So shout out to you too. You know you should have been subscribed. Let me just get started because I'm talking way too much. So I got water because I'm not sure if this is gonna be good, how it's gonna taste. Don't know what my reaction's gonna be. People who know me know my expressions say it all. I'm a Leo, so I don't know if that's the case for a lot of y'all other Leos, but for me, it's all in my face. So y'all gonna be able to see what this stuff really tastes like all up in my facial expressions. But I didn't choose a specific box. I basically did a mystery box. I don't know what's gonna be in here. And that's why, another reason why I couldn't wait, because I was gonna open this and I was like, you know, I want to be surprised on the camera for everybody, and you know, just like y'all, I want to be surprised just like y'all. So I was like, I'm just go ahead and record it. I'm not doing nothing anyway, so yeah. But let's open this. Oh, I got the Philippines. So this is the first thing that's in here. They really be trying to get their money. High temperatures can cause some items to melt or get soft during transit. Upgrade to cold pack shipping on your account page to ensure your snacks arrive nice and cool. So y'all just want more money. Okay. So I got the Philippines, and here's my little pamphlet. It's gonna tell me everything that's in this box. And I got some little stickers. And then I guess this goes on your car or something. Yeah. So let's open it. I wish I had one of them up cameras, like overhead cameras, so y'all can see everything. I'm just gonna show y'all different. I'm gonna start taking stuff out and tasting it. So this is what it looks like. Okay. I got the mini box, by the way. And if y'all want to use my link, yeah, I'll put it in the description below. So I guess you can get the same deal I got. I'm pretty sure, not really completely sure, but I think so. Or at least you could just get it under my name so I can get some points, and then we can do this again, you know. But okay, so they have the Oshi Sponge Crunch. Let me try that first. It's this one right here, which is this one. Really didn't want to start with this. It looks like a donut to me. It looks like a donut. First of all, let me say my grace. Please, Lord, bless this food, live, and nourishment to our body. Please, God, don't let none of this stuff make me sick. And yeah, just bless this food. Amen. It smells just like, what are those things called? Golly, what are those things called? You know the little chocolate things with the cream in the middle? Yeah, it smells just like those. But they're hard. That's good. I should have opened it a different way, so I can save it. I'm not gonna sit here and eat the whole thing, because this video is already running long. So I'm gonna just try everything Okay, so that was the Oshi Sponge Crunch. It was good. It's the description of it. It's a crunchy corn snack that is soaked in rich chocolate. It don't taste nothing like. It kind of tastes like Crunch Bar, but like not really. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. It's something I've had before, but okay. The next thing, I'm gonna skip these because I want to save these. So let's go to the ube cake. I'm scared. A light and fluffy sponge cake packed with delicious ube flavor. And I know a lot of people like in the Philippines, and I'm not sure if it's just the Philippines or it's just like Asian culture, but they have a lot of ube flavored things. And I don't really know what that flavor is, but I think this video might run kind of long because it's like it's kind of a long video. I already know I'm probably not gonna like this, so I'm just gonna open it. It smells just like this liquor that my mom has in the freezer, and I do not like the taste of it. It smells just like it. It's soft. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let me taste it. It's not bad, but it's dry. It's dry. But the flavor is not bad. But I'm gonna put that down. The next thing is Sky Flakes. Light crispy crackers with a rich cream filling of chocolate or sweet milk. I feel like this is the sweet milk kind. Yeah. This is so dope. Like, I always want to do this. And let's just go ahead and just say that they have, like, it kind of looks like the same thing. It is the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing, basically. Okay, so these are two different boxes. So I guess the bottom one is something different. Okay, so the bottom one I don't have. Hold on. So I guess this, yeah. It's the premium. So this tells you what you would get in the other boxes. If you were to get the next size up is the original, then it's the premium, then it's the, well, I got the drink upgrade. Yeah, I got that one because if you paid that extra $6 to get it here faster, you also get a free drink. So that's why I got a free drink. But the mini box normally does not come with a free drink or a drink. And so this is the Sky Flakes, and they have it in chocolate and vanilla. And that's nice of them to put it in there because it said chocolate or sweet milk. So they let me try both of them. So let's try the sweet milk one first. If I can open it. Oh, they're crackers. It's kind of weird though to have a cracker. Oh, that's cool. It's like one cracker. It's kind of like, it's like almost kind of like a wafer. It smells like a cookie. It's literally a cracker and with some stuff in the middle. Nah. I'm sorry. That's not my cup of tea. I don't think this one's going to be either, but it's chocolate, so maybe probably still wouldn't be. Yeah, I won't be able to eat this. This is not something I'll eat. At the end, I'm going to rate these in order from, like, the best. I'm saving these for last because I really think that these are going to be the best ones. But I'm almost done. Okay, the next one is the Oshi wafu crispy roll wafer stick with a creamy chocolate filling. It's the one down there below that. And it looks like this. And it's kind of broken. But this is what it looks like. So it's probably kind of like the biscotti things that we have here in America. Looks kind of like them. And I'm not really a huge fan of those. This isn't bad. I like how when you bite it, it's so airy and crispy. Maybe I've never had a biscotti. Maybe I'm just talking. I love the crispiness of that. That's good. Okay. And the last one is Jack and Jill Cloud 9. It's a classic Philippines chocolate bar with delicious caramel, crunchy peanuts, and a soft nougat wrapped in rich chocolate. It sounds like it's going to be heavy on Cloud 9. The only thing I don't like... So basically it's kind of like a Philippine Snickers. But the only thing I don't like about it is that the nougat is white. So let's see what it tastes like. Let's smell it first. I always like to smell my stuff before I eat, especially stuff I don't really know. I can really smell the peanuts. It does not taste like a Snicker. It's not bad, but like there's peanuts in here, but like it's kind of almost like crushed peanuts. Like, you know how when you eat a Snicker, you be getting whole little pieces of peanuts, but this is like not really like that. Alright, something off about it, I don't know. Okay, so these are crispy, crunchy corn nuts that are doused in either lechon, mik-mik, or adobo flavors. And I'm glad that I got the adobo flavor because I do not know what lechon mik-mik is. And I'm thinking it's some type of milk because leche in Spanish means milk. And I know that this is the Philippines, but don't they speak Spanish in the Philippines? I'm pretty sure. A little bit, like, kind of. I don't know. Maybe I'm lying. I think they do. So... I don't know. I don't know. I might have lied. Because this looks kind of like the cereal. Let me see if I can pour this out and y'all can look at this. Okay, this is what it looks like, okay? I'll get that close up. It looks kind of like that cereal, and like, honestly, I think I've never used adobo, to be honest. Like, I don't even know what that seasoning tastes like, but I'm imagining it tastes like chicken, so I'm not. It's not something. It's good. But you know how corn nuts that are here, they're more solid, like they're actually like a real nut. This is a mixture of a nut and like that cereal. That cereal with the little, you know, that sweet cereal that it kind of look like this. Tastes kind of like that mixed with corn nuts, but it's kind of like, I guess, an adobo taste. Don't really know what adobo tastes like, but hey, this is the drink, and I hope it's good to me. Let's see what this drink is. Do they have a description for this? Yes. Philippine brand juice, 4 seasons. This might be good. It's not. It's kind of cold because you know it's cold outside. This refreshing beverage features real fruit juice. We've included either tart calamansi, and Philippine lime. Ooh, that would have been so good. Or a 4-season nectar, which is a blend of mango, guava, pineapple, and orange flavors. Now, I've tasted a real guava. I don't know if I tasted it when it was in season or what, but I do not like the taste of guava by yourself. But I'm just gonna wipe it off today, okay? I don't even need my drink for nothing. Everything wasn't. I'm sorry, y'all didn't get the ASMR-ness of that because I don't have a mic yet, but it smelled just like a like one of them Jumex juices. My favorite Jumex juice is the peach one. So good. Not bad. Probably would have been so good, cause I'm gonna go put this in over some ice. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for clicking on this video and watching it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, like it, share this video, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come on through, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see stuff like this. You might see challenges. You might see a vlog one day. You're gonna see more mukbangs than anything, especially right now. But you will be seeing different stuff like this every once in a while, you know? So if this is what y'all like, come back through. Hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So 3 days a week. And I think that'll be it. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, be easy.